Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we have something truly fascinating to discuss. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking technology that's changing the way we evaluate scents. Imagine a world where machines can not only see and hear but also smell. This isn't science fiction anymore, it's our new reality. Yes, you heard that right. AI can now smell. This revolutionary capability is made possible through a device known as the electronic nose or e-nose. The e-nose mimics the human olfactory system to identify and analyze odors. It uses a combination of sensors and machine learning algorithms to detect and differentiate between various scents with remarkable accuracy. Now, you might be thinking, an electronic nose? What's the big deal? Well, let me tell you, the implications of this technology are vast and far-reaching. This tech is about to revolutionize multiple industries, from food safety, where it can detect spoilage and contamination, to healthcare, where it can diagnose diseases by analyzing breath samples. Environmental monitoring will benefit from its ability to detect pollutants and hazardous substances. Even your smartphone could one day come equipped with an e-nose to enhance your daily life. The e-nose is poised to make our world safer, healthier, and more efficient. Imagine a world where foodborne illnesses are drastically reduced, where early disease detection becomes the norm, and where our environment is continuously monitored for harmful pollutants. So, how does it work? The e-nose consists of an array of chemical sensors that react to different compounds in the air. These reactions produce a unique pattern or smell print that the device's machine learning algorithms can analyze and compare to a database of known odors. What are its real-world applications? In the food industry, it can ensure the quality and safety of products by detecting spoilage and contamination. In healthcare, it can diagnose diseases like diabetes and lung cancer by analyzing breath samples. Environmental agencies can use it to monitor air quality and detect harmful pollutants. And what does the future hold for this incredible technology? As the e-nose continues to evolve, we can expect even more sophisticated and accurate scent detection capabilities. This could lead to new applications we haven't even imagined yet, from personalized fragrances to advanced security systems that can detect explosives or illegal substances. Let's sniff out the answers. Imagine a world where your whiskey is analyzed for quality and authenticity by an AI. This is just the beginning of what the e-nose can achieve. The future of scent detection is here, and it's more exciting than ever. As we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, the e-nose represents a significant leap forward. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. So, the next time you enjoy a glass of whiskey or take a deep breath of fresh air, remember that AI is right there with you, enhancing your experience in ways you never thought possible. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future of scent detection. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of AI and technology. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. First up, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, food and drinks. Whether it's a gourmet meal at a five-star restaurant or a simple home-cooked dinner, food and drinks are central to our lives. They bring us joy, comfort, and a sense of community. But have you ever wondered how technology is revolutionizing the way we experience these everyday pleasures? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of digital sommeliers and e-noses, the cutting-edge technology that's transforming the food and beverage industry. Imagine walking into a grocery store and using your smartphone to instantly check the freshness of that steak or the ripeness of a melon. No more guessing games or relying on your senses alone. With just a quick scan, you can get detailed information about the quality and freshness of your food. This is made possible by advanced sensors and algorithms that analyze various factors like color, texture, and even smell. It's like having a personal food expert right in your pocket. That's the power of the e-nose in the food and beverage industry. These electronic noses are designed to mimic the human sense of smell, but with far greater precision and consistency. They use a combination of sensors and machine learning algorithms to detect and identify different odors. This technology is not only useful for consumers but also for producers and retailers who want to ensure the highest quality of their products. These digital sniffers can detect even the slightest hint of spoilage or contamination, ensuring food safety and reducing waste. For instance, they can identify the presence of harmful bacteria or chemicals that might not be detectable by human senses. This means that food can be tested more thoroughly and accurately, leading to safer products on the shelves. Additionally, by identifying spoilage early, e-noses can help reduce food waste, which is a significant issue in today's world. But it doesn't stop there. the applications of eNose technology extend beyond just safety and quality control. They are also being used in the development of new food products. By analyzing the aroma profiles of different ingredients, food scientists can create new flavors and improve existing ones. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for culinary innovation. eNoses are also being used to optimize flavors in your favorite snacks and beverages, creating that perfect taste profile you crave. Imagine a world where every bag of chips or bottle of soda tastes exactly the way you want it to. This is the future that eNose technology is helping to create. By fine-tuning the flavor profiles of different products, manufacturers can ensure a consistent and enjoyable experience for consumers. So the next time you enjoy your favorite snack or drink, remember that there's a lot of science and technology behind that perfect taste. And it's not just about packaged foods and drinks. eNose technology is also making its way into the world of fine dining. Chefs are using these advanced tools to experiment with new flavor combinations and create unique dining experiences. By analyzing the aroma and flavor profiles of different ingredients, they can craft dishes that are not only delicious but also perfectly balanced. This means that every bite you take is a symphony of flavors, carefully orchestrated to delight your senses. Wine enthusiasts, rejoice! Digital sommeliers are here to enhance your wine tasting experience. These high-tech tools can analyze the chemical composition of wine and provide detailed information about its flavor profile, aroma, and even its aging potential. Whether you're a casual wine drinker or a seasoned connoisseur, digital sommeliers can help you discover new wines and appreciate them in a whole new way. They can recommend the perfect wine to pair with your meal, ensuring that every sip complements the flavors on your plate. The world of coffee is also being transformed by eNose technology. From the moment the beans are roasted to the final cup, eNoses can monitor and optimize every step of the process. This ensures that your coffee is always fresh and flavorful. By analyzing the aroma and flavor profiles of different coffee beans, eNoses can help roasters create the perfect blend. So whether you prefer a bold espresso or a smooth latte, you can enjoy a consistently great cup of coffee every time. As we look to the future, the possibilities for eNose technology are endless. Imagine a smart kitchen where your appliances can detect the freshness of your ingredients and suggest recipes based on what's available, or a smart fridge that can alert you when your food is about to spoil and even order replacements for you. These are just a few of the exciting innovations that eNose technology is making possible. The future of food and drink is not just about taste and quality, but also about convenience and sustainability. In conclusion, the digital sommelier and eNose technology are revolutionizing the way we experience food and drinks. From ensuring safety and quality to enhancing flavors and creating new culinary experiences, these advanced tools are making our lives better in so many ways. So the next time you enjoy a delicious meal or a refreshing drink, take a moment to appreciate the technology that's working behind the scenes to make it all possible. Cheers to the future of food and drink. Now let's talk about a life-changing application: healthcare. Believe it or not, our sense of smell can be an indicator of our health. Certain diseases can emit specific odors, and that's where the eNose comes in. Researchers are developing eNoses that can detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even COVID-19 just by analyzing a patient's breath. Talk about early detection. Moreover, these electronic noses can ensure hospital hygiene by sniffing out harmful bacteria and preventing infections. Moving on to a topic that affects us all, the environment. We all want clean air and water, right? Well, the eNose can help us achieve that. These devices act like digital bloodhounds, sniffing out pollutants and hazardous materials in the air and water. Imagine being able to pinpoint the source of an oil spill or monitor air quality in real time. With eNoses, we can react faster and more effectively to environmental threats, creating a cleaner and healthier planet for everyone. Chapter 4. Next up, let's take a look at how eNoses are transforming agriculture. Farmers are constantly battling pests, diseases, and nutrient deficiencies in their crops. But what if they had a tool that could detect these problems before they even become visible to the naked eye? That's where the eNose steps in, providing farmers with real-time information about the health of their crops and soil. This allows them to optimize their farming practices, reduce their environmental impact, and increase their yields. Chapter 5. Ever wonder how your favorite perfume is created? It's a complex process involving a lot of trial and error. But with e-noses, perfumers can now analyze and replicate scents with incredible accuracy. These electronic noses can identify the individual components of a fragrance, allowing perfumers to tweak and refine their creations like never before. Plus, e-noses can detect allergens in cosmetics, making beauty products safer for everyone. Let's shift gears to a more serious topic: security. E-noses are being deployed in airports, train stations, and other public places to detect explosives, drugs, and other contraband items. These devices are incredibly sensitive and can identify even trace amounts of dangerous substances, making them invaluable tools in the fight against terrorism and crime. Plus, unlike sniffer dogs, e-noses never get tired and are always ready to work tirelessly. Ever been on a plane or in a car with that weird, musty smell? E-noses can help with that too. In the automotive and aviation industries, these devices are being used to monitor cabin air quality, ensuring a comfortable and healthy environment for passengers. But it's not just about comfort. E-noses can also detect dangerous leaks and malfunctions, preventing accidents and saving lives. Talk about a win-win situation. Okay, remember smell-o-vision? It might not be that far-fetched anymore. Researchers are exploring ways to integrate e-noses into our everyday devices like smartphones and wearables. Imagine getting a notification when your milk goes bad, or having your smart home automatically adjust the air freshener based on the detected odors. The possibilities are endless. While it might seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, e-nose technology could soon be as commonplace as touchscreens and voice assistants. And there you have it. The future is not just a distant dream, it's unfolding right before our eyes. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, one innovation stands out for its potential to transform our lives in ways we never imagined: the electronic nose. The electronic nose, or e-nose, is set to revolutionize multiple industries, making our world safer, healthier, and more efficient. Imagine a device that can detect diseases at an early stage, simply by analyzing a person's breath. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. Researchers are developing e-noses that can identify biomarkers for diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even COVID-19. By detecting these diseases early, we can start treatment sooner and improve patient outcomes significantly. But the applications of the e-nose don't stop at healthcare. In the world of perfumery, creating the perfect scent is both an art and a science. Perfumers spend years honing their craft, but even the most experienced noses can miss subtle nuances. Enter the electronic nose, which can analyze and replicate complex fragrance profiles with incredible precision. This technology is helping perfumers create new, unique scents that were previously unimaginable. The applications of this technology are vast and still evolving. In the food and beverage industry, e-noses are being used to ensure quality and safety. They can detect spoilage, contamination, and even authenticate the origin of products. Imagine being able to verify the authenticity of your favorite wine or cheese with just a quick scan. This technology is also making waves in environmental monitoring, where it can detect pollutants and hazardous substances in the air, ensuring cleaner and safer environments for all. It's clear that the e-nose is more than just a cool gadget. It's a powerful tool with the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. From healthcare to environmental protection, the e-nose is making a significant impact. But how does it work? The e-nose mimics the human olfactory system, using an array of sensors to detect and identify different odors. These sensors generate a unique pattern for each scent, which is then analyzed by sophisticated algorithms to determine the composition of the odor. This innovative technology is solving problems we didn't even know we had. For instance, in the agricultural sector, e-noses are being used to monitor crop health and detect diseases early, ensuring better yields and reducing the need for harmful pesticides. In the automotive industry, they are being integrated into vehicles to monitor air quality and detect harmful gases, making our rides safer and more comfortable. The potential applications are endless, and as the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking uses to emerge. So, next time you catch a whiff of something interesting, whether it's the aroma of a fine whiskey or the scent of a blooming flower, remember the power of the electronic nose. This remarkable device is not just changing the way we perceive smells, it's transforming industries and improving lives. The e-nose is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of innovation. Remember the incredible impact the electronic nose is making on our world. From enhancing our health and safety to enriching our sensory experiences, the e-nose is a game changer. As we continue to explore its potential, we can look forward to a future where this technology becomes an integral part of our daily lives, making the world a better place for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest tech innovations, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Your support helps us bring you more exciting content and keeps you informed about the cutting-edge technologies shaping our future. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the amazing world of technology.